Hello everyone from Node 101. Today I'll tell you about Nibiru and at the same time I'll show you how to install the incentivized testnet node on the server we rented in the easiest way using the script we have prepared. Nibiru enables users to make fast and cheap transactions between different cryptocurrencies using decentralized financial applications. Nibiru is particularly aimed at cryptocurrency investors and traders, allowing users to engage in cryptocurrency arbitrage, provide liquidity, and participate in various DeFi applications. The platform uses an algorithm known as an automated market maker to provide liquidity and record transactions on the blockchain. This ensures the security of transactions and eliminates the need for centralized intermediary. Nibiru offers a user-friendly interface to make it easy for users to take advantage of DeFi applications. Before installing our node, there are some tasks that we need to do. To access these tasks, we enter the blog section of the official site of Nibiru. Then, we open this post. In this post, the tasks and how to do it are given in detail. You can access the tasks here and complete them correctly. Now, we go to the node installation stage. We are looking for Nibiru from the search section of our official website. After the page opens, we can see the server information we are going to rent from the requirements section. We scroll down the page and copy the command we have prepared for you from here. We log into the rented server with /root. We paste the copied command and press enter. Here we enter any nickname you have specified. Now I'm stopping the recording until the installation is complete. You can see the logs of node using the green command written at the top. As you can see, our node is working. That's all I'm going to tell you in this video. I wish you all a good day.